welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from William Singe. Never had him before here on Gordon Guitar. This is the first song here called Catch My Breath. So we're gonna look at one chord progression here, and we're gonna be able to play around a little bit with it. If you notice there, I didn't play the exact same notes and like that all the time here. So I'm gonna give you one way of playing this and you can play around a little bit with it. So let's start with this one, and we have 5 chords to learn here. We have 4 chords that goes almost through the entire song, and then we have a bridge part where you need to throw in a 5th chord, otherwise it's the same through the entire song. So let's start with the capo now on the 2nd fret, and with that we have the first chord called C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and then open G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. E minor next. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Then we have a B minor. We're gonna hold the chord like this. You can hold the B minor in different ways. This is one of them. So that is 2nd on A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, the A minor 7. Okay, so that will be open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so that's the different chords. The main chord progression will be C, the C major, then G, E minor, and B minor. That will go like a loop, round and round through the entire song, almost, except for small parts, bridge parts later on. But we're gonna focus now on this, and we're gonna look at one way of playing, the main way, so to speak. It's the picking pattern ish style, and then I'm gonna just show you one simple strumming pattern. If you don't want to play this picking, you can go with some strumming, and that will be nice as well. So let's start with the C parts. That part goes like this. Okay. So what you do here, you just need to hold the 3rd fret A string. You're gonna start with that one time, and then you hit the open G, open B, and open E together. And then you're gonna have this fast part here. Okay. So what you need to do there is you're gonna work with the hammer on and pull off technique. So we'll first go over the notes, and I'm gonna show you what's all about there. So everything is played on the B string. So you're gonna play 3rd B, 5th B, back to 3rd B, and open B. All that goes pretty fast, and to have that tempo, you're not able to, yeah, you could, but it's hard to pick all these 4 notes with your right hand. So what you do there, you use this hammer on pull off technique. So you hit the first one, which is the 3rd fret B string, and then you hammer on with your finger left hand. If you are like me, right-handed and playing this way, you pick the 5th fret B string with the hammer on, and then you pull off, which with the finger you're using here on the 5th fret B string to go back to 3rd fret, and here you're gonna pull off as well to get the open B string. So this 4 notes are 3rd fret B string, 5th fret, back to 3rd fret, and open. But all you need to do with your right hand is to pick the first note there, the 3rd fret B string. That is how you handle that part. So again, that was it for the C chord. It goes like this. Okay. Let's move on to the G. It's like that. so what you need to hold here is the 3rd fret E string. And then you're gonna pick the open D, open G, and open B together. And then you play the 3rd fret E again. And then 2 times these D, G, and B together. And that's it for G. So the G part was. Let's move on to the E minor. Here you can hold the chord as it is. So you're gonna hold the E minor, and then you play the open E string in the bass. And then you're gonna pick the 2nd fret A, 2nd fret D, and open G together. And then comes this part. And you use the same technique as you used for the C chord, the hammer on and pull off technique there. Now we are on the G string, and you're gonna start with the open G, then 2nd G, and back to open G. But you're just gonna pick the first one, the open G note, and then you hammer on the 2nd and pull off to get back to the open G. Okay, so that's the E minor part. So the E minor again. And then we have the final part, the B minor. Hold the chord as it is. You're gonna play this part. Okay, so that will be the 2nd fret A string first. And then you're gonna pick the 2nd fret G together with 3rd fret B and open E. And then you're gonna end with the 3rd fret B and 2nd fret G. And that's one round of the melody. Now you can take this one up to next level and add in the claps. I'm gonna show you where to add in the claps. You're gonna look for it. I'm gonna just run over it pretty fast. So you're gonna play this part. And then clap there. Okay, so. And after this, C fast notes, you add a clap there if you wish. It's hard to get it there because everything goes fast there, but you could. So, slowly. Okay, then the G part, and then we want to go over to the E minor part, clap after that, and then clap after that, and then we have the B minor part, and then comes and a clap in the end. So that is how we play it. I'm gonna take it through from the beginning to the end here. So let's start this one up, and I'm gonna do it pretty slow to understand where we add in the claps and so on. So let's go. Yeah, so that is just one way, like a skeleton to have when you play this. You can play around, work with it. I'm gonna play in one way this time and in another way the next time. So I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of it, so for you to really understand what I mean by play around with it. So let's go. So you can add some extra notes here and there. As long as you stay around the chords, it will sound probably very cool. So that's for the melody. Now, if you just want to skip all this picking, you can go for a straight, easy strumming pattern. And I'm gonna show you that now. One round of this will be with the C, like this. Down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay? So like this. Okay, and then you move to the next chord. So again, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap. So that is one way of handling this song. It goes round and round almost through the entire song, because a bridge part comes in about 2 minutes and 20 seconds into the song. And here you're gonna play in a different way. It's just one down per chord. That's what I prefer. And I'm just gonna give you the chords in the order they come, and you will listen to the song and judge for yourself now when it's time to hit, because it's not like very exact, it's very irregular there, so you need to listen to the song and feel your way through. But the chords will be in this order: the C major 7, then G, then E minor, and then B minor. And the second and final round will be C, the C major, then that B minor, and now comes the A minor 7, and it ends with E minor. And that's it. That's the bridge part. And then it continues again with the same melody, strumming or picking. It's up to you. And that, my friends, pretty much covers William Singe, Catch My Breath. And that is what I'm gonna do now. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and it helped. And if you did, please thumb this up, spread the word, subscribe, and I really appreciate all your support, guys. So thank you for watching and play tuned.